This is the performance of the nozzle of the 6-inch fridge compressor. This is how it performs. The 42 holes nozzle, 1-inch diameter nozzle for this compressor, refrigerator compressor chamber. So this is how it performs. You can lower the flame and you can speed up the flame. That is the speed up of the flame of this kind of nozzle for a 6-inch chamber. Ito yung D6 na compressor ng ref na ginawa ko. Ano? Ayan ang apoy niya. Compressor ng ref ito. Ayan o. Ganyan ang apoy niya. Kawalang salang. Ganyan. Blue na blue. May flip top cover yan. Busisi nga lang gawin ito. Ito naman pagka may salang. Ito naman ang apoy niya pagka may salang na.